Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today 10th of March 2023 and the top news for crypto is as follows.
And we're going to go into a little correction that I want to make. Well, I said in yesterday's episode that today MTGOX will begin its payouts. However, because I didn't really like yesterday's article, I continued to look into it today and found out that they were wrong. Well, up to date are the registrations within MTGOX. That is, those who have money from before can go in to register that they want a refund and in what form they want. Refunds will be made sometime in September or even October, I read in other articles, so we are safe from MTGOX for now. And we'll continue in our news and go to the New York State Attorney General who is suing KuCoin claiming Ethereum is security. Well, to take things from the top, the New York Attorney General in her report says that Ethereum, like Luna, are speculative assets that rely on their developers to provide value on the product itself. And that's why she believes that Ethereum is a security and not a commodity. Two things I want to say. One, how does a person put Ethereum next to Luna? It takes talent that. And I also want to point out that it's not just KuCoin that has Ethereum as an asset on its platform, it's all the exchanges in the crypto market. And I just worry that the Attorney General's office in New York is going to start suing all exchanges in the crypto market because an exchange in the crypto market that doesn't have Bitcoin and Ethereum as assets is not an exchange, it's a circus. And beyond that, to say that the SEC and the CFTC, which are the two agencies in America that are responsible for saying whether something is a commodity or a security, and both have said that Ethereum is a commodity, not a security. However, the Attorney General's office has a different view on the matter. And beyond that, another negative news for America is that the U.S. Treasury Department is proposing a 30% excise tax on cryptocurrency miners. And as you already know, 50% of the world's Bitcoin miners are currently located in America. And if this proposal goes through and the tax goes up to 30%, I just think that too many miners will not be able to bear the financial burden and will leave America for some better country with lower taxes, obviously. So I think if that happens, we will see some drop in the hash rate of Bitcoin because miners will start migrating again, like when it happened with China. Just to a lesser degree. We're going to go to our exchanges and we're going to go to Gate.io, which is partnered with Visa and will launch its own card in Europe like Binance has done. If you have Gate.io, you can have a crypto card now. We will also go to Huobi, which the currency from there, which was close to $5, dropped sharply to $1.80. And then came back up and close to $4. The reason for the sharp drop is said to be a massive sell order worth $2 million. That happened 5 minutes before the big drop. And Mr. Jussie's son, in order to save his coin, what he actually did, and I understand is the reason why the price came back up, is that he took out of a personal wallet $60 million and put it into the Huobi. And let me remind you at this point that he had promised to create a $100 million liquidity fund, so that these problems wouldn't exist. A fund that he just said and forgot about, and now that Huobi was in trouble. He said let's put in that money that he promised, and he didn't even put all of it in. And from Mr. Jussie's son we'll go to our coin for today, and we'll go to Hedera. Which Hedera right now as we speak is under attack by hackers. And too many dApps have been affected on the Hedera chain. And on top of that, the TVL itself has fallen by 25%, and to be honest, it has fallen well over 25%. It was close to $45 million and is currently down to $24 million. So if you use Hedera, be very careful and not an investment advisor investment opinion. Withdraw your money through its chain, especially if you have it on some smart contract. Because the hackers do not yet know what they have managed to affect and what not. And we will also go to the crypto market, which as you understand is very bearish today. With Bitcoin he has lost the battle and with $20,000. And as we speak we are literally in free fall. There is no older resistance that I have detected at least, where we can use it to hold on. And as you can see, we're going to line up for the 18,000 or so outside. If there is any resistance at the prices we are at now. But the way I see Bitcoin price is in free fall. And the reason for this fall, as you understand, is the Silver Gate which collapsed. And we still haven't heard all the devastation the Silver Gate will cause. Because Silver Gate had edges everywhere. Was the bank used by all exchanges in the crypto market and its systems in. If you have more questions, leave them below in the description. And beyond that, another fact that led to falls in price are the constant liquidations that happen in the crypto market. As you can see over here, over $400 million worth of liquidations have occurred. And all this is happening since the sharp drop in the price of Bitcoin, unfortunately. And we are simply waiting for the news. And that was the top news for crypto.
Today, 10th of March, 2023.
Let me remind you that the content you watched, it's content created for educational purposes only, and in no way constitutes investment advice, only investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment, which comments can be replied to at the end of the episode. Be well everyone, have a good day.